Hi loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today. As you guys can tell by the title, and as you guys can see, I have some new hair to share with you guys. I have some hair from LUVME hair, and it came to me in this purple sparkly box with this purple ribbon on the outside. I will have everything linked down below as always, so definitely check the description box. But we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into the unboxing. Obviously, they sent over a wig, but they also sent over a wig bag. Store your hair, or you can honestly use this for anything. They also sent over some Christmas little decorations in a Christmas bag for the holidays. And then they sent over a makeup bag with their logo on it with some goodies inside, which was really cute and really nice as well. These bags are great as well for traveling, to store your makeup brushes or anything else you might need even in your purse. They sent over a pair of eyelashes. They also sent over this pack of press-on nails, which kind of have, I thought it was like a super Christmassy theme, but I feel like it's like a subtle Christmas holiday theme, but they're super cute. And then they also sent over some silver hoop earrings. In the box, there was also a user guide to let you know how to take care of your wig, and then if you do need to refund or return your wig, the process of going about that as well. This is a 5x5 closure wig, as you guys can see, so there's only lace at the top, and then there's wefts all throughout. There are combs, an elastic band, and adjustable straps in the inside of the wig as well, which makes this wig super easy to just throw on if you wanted to. Here you can just see the style of the wig. The lighting wasn't too great, so you couldn't see the color, but the wig came with these beautiful curls, and then it did have a side part as well as bangs. Here is me just prepping to put on my wig. I have a wig cap on. I added some makeup, and then I'm going ahead and taking some regular Got2b glue gel, and I'm applying this just to the top center part of my hairline and the wig cap, but I am using the Ebin Wonder Spray to actually adhere my lace. And as you guys can see, I decided to leave out my baby hairs for this installation, but I wish that I actually went ahead and cut away some of the lace a little bit more. You guys will see what I'm talking about, but I ended up leaving too much lace on and not cutting it close enough to the hairline on the wig. So there was a little bit of like a gap I felt between my baby hairs and where the hair on the wig started. But I did reinstall this wig later on after filming this, and I cut it down and it looked really natural. But nonetheless, I really love this wig and the hairstyle. So as you guys can see, I did 3 layers of glue, and I used the blow dryer in between to dry it. And I'm going ahead and pulling the wig down, pushing it into my hairline. And this is what I mean. At this point, I could have pulled the wig down closer. I thought that that was enough space, but you guys will see that there ends up being actually like a gap from where my baby hairs are to where the wig starts, but I tried to blend it the best I could with makeup. That's not really a fault to the wig though, that's just a fault to me. As you guys can see, this wig comes with a really natural hairline already. I didn't do any plucking or tweezing. You guys can see my wig cap underneath, but the hairline itself on the closure looks really nice off the bat, and it is pre-styled, so it has this defined side part in it and these bangs. And I went ahead and cut off the lace and put on an elastic band again, and this is what it looked like. So like I mentioned, you can see that little gap right there. It is lace and it is laid down, but I feel like in certain angles the lighting makes it look a little weird and it is just a little bit too much. But nonetheless, look how beautiful this wig is. I'm gonna go ahead and style it just a little bit. I'm just bumping these bangs under to shape my face a little bit better and to just fall a little bit more naturally. So I'm kind of straightening the tops of them, and then I am gonna go ahead and actually bump them all together to the side. And as you guys can see, this hair has this beautiful chocolate brown color on top, and then it has a dark black color on the bottom. So in the bang area in the front of your face and the top, you have this nice chocolate brown, and it kind of blends in and looks like highlights in the rest of the hair, which you guys will see in a little bit. But this hair is super soft, super nice quality, and it was super easy to style. It took to the heat very well. As you guys can see, the ends just bumped and fell super nicely. I went ahead and just straightened a little bit at the top of the other side just to kind of pull the hair down and cover the side of the closure. And this is what the natural curls came like in the wig. I didn't even add curls or do anything to the hair. The wig came pre-styled, so this is a super practical, ready to go wig as well if you are not someone who likes to customize your wigs and you want something ready to go, you can just throw this wig on. You don't even have to glue it on if you don't want to because of the cap construction, and it is super, super practical. The hair color is beautiful as well. Like, it's giving fall, but it's also just giving holiday, winter glam. Like, I absolutely love this style. I was a little bit nervous looking at it with the side bangs and off of my head, but once I installed it, I loved it. And it has this deep curved parting space, as you guys can see at the top, which looks super, super natural as well. And LUVME hair never disappoints with the hair quality. As you guys can see, this wig is thick. These curls are bouncy. This hair is super soft, and I'm able to just run my fingers through it and move my head around, and the hair just moves and falls so nicely. Again, I will have everything linked down below if you guys want to check out this wig, so definitely check out the description box. This wig literally just inspired me and got me in such like a glam holiday vibe that I went ahead and threw on this fur jacket, and I wanted to add on this little fur hat. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments about the final look. And if you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.